Good day, everyone. This is Promise Kanwai, your social media boss, your Canva king, your web designer, and your graphics designer. Today, I'll be showing us how to design this I have on my screen, the Captain America shield. Whether you're using Canva or Pixellab, just follow the steps and be sure to get it through. Now, let's go straight to Canva.
So if this is your first time of coming to the channel, please like the video, please subscribe, and also turn on your notifications so that you can get further videos.
Now when you get to Canva, first thing for us is to start a fresh design. I like using the Instagram post size, and I like picking up the blank post so as to start afresh my design. So when the design is up, all you need to do is to follow me step by step and you're going to get it. Now this is what you're going to do. First thing, when the blank page loads, you go to your shapes. Let's go to our shapes. Elements, you go under elements, you go to your shapes, and the shape you're going to pick, it's a cycle. Do you understand? So you can just click cycle here and you pick the cycle. Do you understand? You pick the cycle, you enlarge it. Let's enlarge it and make it centralized. So now we're going to change the picture to the cycle color rather to red, because the Captain America's shield is red. We're picking it to red. So we're going to duplicate this. You can pick another cycle, but we can also duplicate this. So what you just do is copy, and you also still paste it back. So you see, it's giving you the shortcut. So you can also paste it back. So you paste it and you reduce the size. Do you understand? You reduce it and centralize it. So now let's change the color to blue, or rather let's change it to white. Yes, then you can also copy this and duplicate again. Then you give it you reduce it, you put it at the middle. Do you understand? You select the red color. Are you getting what I'm doing? Then you can also copy again and you paste it, and it gives you another cycle. You reduce it, you centralize it, and you pick, I think this time we're going to pick the blue. Yes, then you go to your elements, because you need the last object, which is the star. Search for star and wait for it to come up. So now we are searching for star, and you just pick a star, and I think it's a white star. So you take it up a little bit. Now we have designed you centralize it. We have designed our Captain America's shield. It's very easy. It's very easy. So this is how to design the Captain America's shield, and I hope you've learned something from it. Thanks.